Hello, my name is Dan Webb, and the artist that I've chosen to talk about is Sam Maloof. And just saying the artist Sam Maloof has a certain irony to it. Artist is something that he never really liked to be called. He preferred being described as a woodworker or a furniture maker. In 1985, when he won the MacArthur Genius Award, he had the opportunity to be listed as an artist, but he declined. He wanted to be listed just as a woodworker. Unfortunately for him, though, his overlap with artistic practice just can't be avoided. As modernism begat postmodernism and the barriers between art and everything else kind of came tumbling down, art became anything and everything, which is a mighty big thing indeed. That means that the formerly clear labels such as woodworker or sculptor or artist or designer have all kind of melted together and become shortcuts to something that really defies any kind of easy categorization anymore. Sam Maloof's chairs are staggeringly successful in this regard. They mix utility and beauty in a way that I would struggle to find any analog for. And as I say, there have been a whole lot of chairs out there to compare them to. And that's before we even get to the rocker. Integrating art into life was the outcome of modernist and postmodernist thought. But Sam Maloof was clearly doing that way before doing that was a thing. He wasn't the only one that did it, but he was among the best, and he definitely deserves his spot in the Pantheon and here in this great show at the Smithsonian. So I encourage everyone to go and look at Sam Maloof's chair.